Hello, good evening, Mr. and Mrs. H. So, it's 11:28 in the evening, and this is my reporting for today's video. So, as you can see right now, this is the sidewalk of the house, and this is their temporary, temporary restroom on this area. And then, let's go here. We're almost done here, the sidewalk of the villa. And then right here, oh, they almost finished with the steps. Okay, I mean almost finished with putting some cement and make it even. I think so. And then that's the tiles, the exterior tiles of the pool, and we have two visitors here. They're clean this one so that they can finish that wall also. Yan. Ah, another visitor. And then on this part, nothing. I think there's a lot of cockroach right now because they dig the septic tank. They dig a hole for the septic tank, so maybe that's why a lot of cockroach are going out of their houses. Charot. And this is the pump machine. That's the pump machine. This is the filter machine for the pool also. This one and this one. Pump and filter machine. So let's check here inside the pool. Ay, sa ba to? Barang basa pero malinis. Okay. As you can see right now, finish. They're just gonna put some grout there. And grout also right here. Grout. I think they already clean oh. Look at the tiles. It's all shining, shimmering, splendid. Okay. Let's go to the senior restroom. Okay, let's go here. Oh, hey, let's go first there. The restroom of near the pool. And they put the tiles right here. This one, okay. This is the shower area outside. And let's check they already put the door for the senior room. Look at this. Oh, done. The tiles here is done. And I think tomorrow they can put this frame for the sliding door. I don't know if I can. I'm just gonna go around so I can check the door. Oh no, I cannot check because there's a stopper. But you can see right now, it's finished. So just gonna put some pin light, the AC, the doorknob, and the sliding door. Okay, let's go inside. And engineer yan still awake. Sir, ba't kising ka pa? Tara mo ko susi, sir. Ng staff room. Ba't kising ka pa? Nantay mo kami, no? Salamat, sir. And right here, this is the restroom. And they already put the, what do you call this? The shower head, and then this one. And then I think this one will change for the shower with a telephone shower or something like that. Okay, I don't know whose fault is that. And that's the heater there. And they already put that, and this one, and then the light. I don't know if it's not yet working. It's not plugged in. And then some grout also. It's not yet with the grout. They put the bidet, and it's really wide. Look, wide and big. Okay, let's turn off the light. And then on this side, ayan. Wow, ayan na. They already put some tiles right here. I don't know if, yeah, this is the tiles right here. Oh, it's not under mount. I don't know why, but it's not under mount. But it's alright. But as long as they're gonna put some silicone here, so it will not gonna go. The water will not gonna go down. And then that's it. This one is for the gas stove, double burner gas stove, and then some other. And then this is the storage for the storage for the pot and everything. And then they already put the faucet here for if ever we're going to have a washing machine. We have a water supply here, and this is the electric supply. And then let's go here to the senior room. Here. And this is senior room from inside, look. And then this right here. Outside. Okay. Okay, let's go here. Let's turn off the light. On that side. Turn off. Ay! Oh, look at the door. They already put this one. And I want to try it, but there's something plugged in. Basta yun na yung door. It's so nice. Diba? I'm gonna try. Huwag na maingay. Maingay, may tulog. Ayan na siya. Ayan. And then on this side, wala pa. Okay na yan. So, let's go upstairs. For the main event. Charot. Then I'm gonna go in to the storage room. I'm gonna show you the stocks we have from the previous box we sent here. Remember that we already bought these things. These are the air freshener for the rooms, and some galing to sa box nung kailan ba yun? And this one also, Glade, and came from the previous box that you sent, guys, here. And then this one. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one for the room and test how is the smell of this. And I bought a trash can. Okay, this is the glitters, and then the light for the three posts, and this is the trash can. I'm gonna try this here. Let's check if it's fit. Oops. Yan, pag ganito. Okay, pwede na din. Let's get the takip at the lid. Right here after the changes. Okay, I don't know who went here and didn't turn off the light. Okay, that would be for today's video. Just checking right now. Nothing changed here. Right here.